So this is Japanese cake here in Olongapo City, right here on Magsaysay. How much for one?
5 pesos each.
Can you get me, how about getting me like 5 of them?
5.
Yep, 5 Japanese cakes.
What do you want flavor? Yema cheese, chocolate, ube.
Ubi.
Alright.
So these are Japanese cakes, and I'm getting the ubi.
I give you one food.
Oh, thank you. You can keep.
Alright,
You can keep it.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Sir, you are a YouTuber?
Yes, I am. TravelingFrogman. You're going to be on YouTube.
Traveling
Frogman. So I just got these Japanese cakes. This is the ubi. So check this. Here. See if I can do it with holding my camera. That is really good. Wow.
Traveling
Frogman.
Frogman?
Yep. Wow.
Sir, thanks.
Oh, you get it? These Japanese cakes are just awesome.